I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese Horlicks. First, gather your essential ingredients: Horlicks powder, your preferred cheese, and milk. You'll also need a blender, a small saucepan, and your favorite serving mugs. For a single serving, measure out about 2 tablespoons of Horlicks powder and approximately 50 grams of cheese. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious result. Next, combine your measured Horlicks powder, the 50 grams of cheese, and a small splash of milk into your blender. Blend these ingredients thoroughly until the mixture achieves a perfectly smooth consistency, ensuring there are no lumps. While that's blending, gently heat the remaining milk in a saucepan over a medium flame. Avoid boiling the milk, just warm it through to a comfortable temperature. Now, carefully pour the smooth, blended cheese and Horlicks mixture into the warm milk in your saucepan. Stir continuously and gently, ensuring all ingredients are thoroughly combined and heated evenly. This step is crucial for achieving that rich, comforting flavor. Once it's perfectly warm and integrated, pour your delicious cheese Horlicks into a mug and enjoy it immediately. It's a unique and satisfying treat. Feel free to customize your cheese Horlicks to suit your taste. You can adjust the amount of cheese to make it richer or milder, depending on your preference. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a tiny pinch of salt or even a dash of black pepper to the mixture. Experimentation is key to finding your perfect blend. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your unique and comforting beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.